Oh, I'm just here stealing free samples, that's all.
Coming to something like this has been fantastic. We've been able to meet lots of new people, but also get lots of really positive feedback about our products. We don't use any packet mixers, we don't use any large machinery. Everything's done by hand as you do it at home, but we can give you that factory level of assurance and safety.
So I'm here representing British Baker. So we had Britain's Best Cake competition yesterday and then Britain's Best Loaf today. And it's also really good to see what's in the market at the moment as well and see everything else that's going on. I've had quite a lot of nice treats, so that's always good.
The show's a great opportunity to catch up with people that you haven't seen and obviously have everything displayed in one place so we can showcase everything we're doing and everything we're starting to develop, and we've met some really key people that we've wanted to talk to for a long time, so yeah, fingers crossed, we'll see what happens next, but yeah, it feels really positive.
Really interesting show, massive variety of exhibitors here. Some people are from bakeries, restaurants, brands, drinks, foods, manufacturers, all parts of the supply chain are here, and a really engaged consumer network here too.
We've got a stand here again for the third year running. It's a great show for us. It's an amazing opportunity to meet new clients, meet existing clients. Everybody's really sociable, so I think people are here to make new connections as well as learn about new products. Great for us because we're a service to the food manufacturing industry, so there's so many people here we can help.
We've been talking on the food manufacturer stage about how processes and systems and soft skills can help really drive innovation in food manufacturing. And I've been walking around doing a bit of videoing myself as well, looking at some really nice products that I found. So yeah, it's been a really good show.
So we've been doing a live podcast, which is a bit weird for us because we don't normally do it with an audience, but it's been lovely to meet some really great people talking about the things that we're passionate about, which is people and systems in the food industry. So yeah, and it's been nice to get some free samples.
If there's been one part of the show that I would say has been a really big success, it has been around British made produce and everything that goes around that as well, in terms of whether it might be ordering through software. So the fact that you've got all those touch points around here means that some of the offer, whether they might be B2B customers or whether they're consumers themselves, is of the highest quality.